How are you all doing? When I say pekele, arugbo jẹ gbèsè, ta ni yóò san? You might not understand. If you know the meaning of the song I just sang, drop it in the comment section. Hey! Hello everyone, how you all doing? My name is Esther and this is Esther's Chronicles TV. I'm a YouTuber based in Zurich, Switzerland. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you're just seeing my face for the first time, you have not joined the family, please kindly join the family. This is a joyful place and a happy zone, and this org is for you. So today I'm here to talk about no other person than a man of God in the person of Apostle Suleiman. Yes, and this is not the first time I'm talking about him. I've done 1 or 2 videos before now. You might do well to catch those videos in the description box or on your way out, or just catch the video anywhere in my channel. So for the benefit of those that have not watched any of my video concerning him, or just to refresh your memory, if you've never heard about him, he's a man of God based in Nigeria, Auchi precisely. He has branches all over the world. So there were allegations against him. There were so many people coming out that he had something to do with him sexually. So many things. And the funny thing is that he has not outrightly come out to denounce any of them. Or the only thing he does is it brings down people's video. So there's this big YouTuber called Maureen Badejo. Mega shout out to you, Maureen Badejo. This big YouTuber have been dogging out stories about Apostle, you know, with facts, with evidence. The biggest one being the case of Stephanie Otobo, who came out. It's a long story. Just catch the video. I will link it in the description box, or just check it. She came out to say that the apostle had something to do with her and all that. So this video is about Maureen Badejo versus Apostle Suleiman. So having said that, Maureen Badejo was doing so many videos about Pastor Suleiman, and somehow those videos were getting to him. They were getting to him. Eventually, Apostle Johnson Suleiman sued Maureen to court. Yes, a man of God sued a YouTuber to court, sued a content creator to court. So if you are a content creator and you are very good at reaction, be mindful, because you might just get sued, especially if you don't have your facts and your evidences. But if you have your facts and your evidences, you might just be cashing out afterwards. So Apostle Johnson sued Maureen to court. Before suing Maureen to court, he kept maybe sending people, or people were doing it on his behalf. Because one thing about these big men of God is that they have people that are very loyal to them, and they can do and undo. Like some people that are loyal to him now, they might come under this video and start attacking me. It's okay. You're entitled to your opinion, just the same way I'm entitled to mine. So Apostle Johnson Suleiman sued Maureen to court. And the beauty of it is that he sued Maureen to a UK court, because Maureen Badejo lives in the UK. Most of those allegations were allegations outside the country. So he sued Maureen to court. But before then, Maureen did some couple of videos, very hot videos that I couldn't even put myself together to react to those videos. They were demeaning things, but Maureen had facts. So most time people come to the platform to just share their story, because there's something with sharing. The biggest of it, which was this Stephanie Otobo's case. Obviously, Apostle Mama brought all those videos down anyway. So he sued Maureen to court. So Maureen got a court paper from a UK court saying that Apostle Suleiman is suing her for calling him terrorist, and so many allegations. But to my greatest surprise, sexual allegations were not part of it. But others, so there were many charges like that. So Maureen, like I said, she's a content creator. She has a big platform. And there is a way you can grow on a platform. The platform will no longer be about you. So Maureen Badejo came to our YouTube channel, because she does live streams about pastors' cases, especially Apostle Johnson Suleiman, almost every other night. So she came this fateful day and said and told the audience or the followers, she has die-hard followers, and told them that Pastor Johnson Suleiman is suing her to court. And she is not her first time of being sued, so she knows how it goes. So she got some lawyers, she spoke to the lawyers, and the lawyers, they told her that, okay, if we have to chase this case, it's not going to be for free. So she has to file in some papers and do so many things. After everything said and done, she will need like 17,500 pounds. Yes, 17,500 pounds. Calculate. That money can buy some lands in your country, right? Just like my country. So Maureen came and told the people, this is what I am, the shit I am in. Apostle is suing me. What do you people think? So people were saying, so what are you going to do? Are you going to back out? We have to seek justice. We have to seek justice for Stephanie Otobo. We have to seek justice for Eneka. We have to seek justice for so many other people. We've come too far than to give up. Apostle have to, you know. So she said for her, she won't chicken out. She's ready to go to court. But the problem is the money. If you people say you back me with the money, then we go to court. We have a case. We have live witnesses. We have people that can testify. So the people, that night, I think it was last week, that day, she set up a GoFundMe account. So people started donating. People started donating. Because these were people that have been coming to the show. And like I said, my concern about this whole thing is that there are people that have gone through this thing and their life has not been the same again. And for them, the justice they are seeking is not even just for themselves. It's that it should just stop. Enough is enough. My people. When my people will say, Eniola show me, do you know that on that Maureen's platform, in less than, let's say just in 7 days, they raised 17,500. Each time she comes out every day, people will call in and say, Auntie Maureen, you can't go back. We are going to court. We are going to court. And people started donating 20, 50, 100, to the extent that they started calling Maureen that she's a beggar. People that are supporting Apostle, they started mocking Maureen that she's a beggar. We will see you in court this day. They thought she won't be able to raise that money. She raised 17,500. 17,500 on a GoFundMe, just because people know that she's standing for the truth and people are ready to go all the way. Let me shock you. Before they sued her to court, because this is a story I follow almost every other day. Before they sued her to court, Apostle Johnson Suleiman tried to send people to her to bribe her. And they gave her conditions. Yes, they gave her conditions. They were going to give her huge sum of amount of money, but they wanted them to have the meeting outside the UK. They gave her condition, and she said no, she's not going to take any money from Apostle. She would rather stand for the truth and seek for justice for people that are distressed. Or just stop it. Stop it. Enough is enough. If you say you are a man of God, why were you trying to bribe Maureen? If you say you are a man of God, why are you suing her to court? If you say you are a man of God, why are you not coming out to just clear the air and let everybody keep quiet? But you see, now she has been able to raise 17,500. 17,500 pounds just to run a case with you in court. It's so shameful. I won't say I'm not disappointed, but who am I? My feeling doesn't really matter. I'm so embarrassed that we have to get to this point. But the truth is, enough is enough. How can you sue somebody to court just because she's giving a platform out for people to cry on? Do you know what it means for people to buckle up things? Well, I don't want this video to be too long. But my people, as we speak now, Apostle Suleiman and Maureen Badejo, they are going to be meeting in court because Maureen has been able to raise 17,500 pounds. And in the course of the whole thing, just last week, there's another story of him even sleeping with In fact, that one is unheard of. I cannot say that one here. Let me just keep my mouth shut and just stick to the fact that we are going to court. This is embarrassing. Christian going to court. If Maureen have accepted Apostle Suleiman's bribe, we will not be here by now. We will not be here. But because she refused to accept the bribe, she was sued to court. They wanted to shut her down because how do you even think of raising, how would she even have ever think of raising 17,500? But I tell you, on that platform, people kept donating. People kept donating and kept saying, we are not going back. We are not going back. We are not going back. And all we are saying is that just stop it. Just, it's enough. People should stop nailing Jesus Christ to the cross the second time. So I just thought to talk about this and just to let you know how demeaning or how I don't know. I'm so embarrassed, but I just pray that I don't even know what I will pray for. What do you want to pray for concerning this matter? What do you want? Because me, I'm not happy that Apostle Suleiman is taking Maureen to court. But in another way around, I'm also happy that Maureen was able to raise the 17,500 for the court case that the lawyers are demanding from her. Because imagine if she was not able to raise that money, and if she was not ready to go all the way to the court, I'm sure they would have sued her, and she will not even be able to pay that money. So I'll just await and let's see what unfolds. I'm still going to come back here to inform you, my people, what the latest is. Like I said, I choose to react to this. Anything that concerns the kingdom is my business. And for this matter, I've been following it. And I just thought to let you know. And I'm praying God will expose, because we have lots of fake prophets in Nigeria. We have lots of them. And what they do is that they try to do charity work to cover up their shit. They try to do humanitarian work so that people will be distracted. You know, they call it, it has a name. It has a name. I've forgotten what they call it. I can't remember, but they just try, you know, when you say somebody is bad, if you see somebody is bad, maybe she's a prostitute, she's so bad, and the person now start paying for a child's school fees, you know, just now doing a humanitarian work to cover. That's what most of them are doing. So guys, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. The more you look, the less you see. Like I will always advocate, know God for yourself, read the Bible for yourself. It doesn't mean you won't have a pastor. It doesn't mean you won't have, but understand God for yourself. Because the truth is, if I did not know God for myself with the happenings presently, I could have taken a walk out of Christianity. So let me know your thoughts about it. Do you think it's wise to go to court? Like I said, my take is the fact I don't like what is happening, but I'm super happy that Maureen Badejo was able to raise 17,500 pounds. A mega shout out to Maureen Badejo's follower. Those people, God bless everyone that was able to donate towards this cause. Let's see what is going to unfold. Please, let's stop nailing Jesus Christ to the cross the second time. And I'll conclude by saying, it's okay where you are. It doesn't matter what you've done. There's always a time to just come back. And the mercy of God is more than enough to embrace you. Please, let's stop shutting down the voiceless people. Let people tell their story, especially if they have been hurt. Because telling the story helps people to heal. It helps people to heal. The problem is you do something, you don't want people to talk about it. No, people will talk about it. If you have watched this extent, thank you so much. Please like the video, drop me a comment, and I like to read your comment. I like to read your comment. Subscribe to the family if you have not, and kindly share this video out if you can. My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. I'll see you in my next video. God bless you. I love you all. Bye-bye.